The storm could bring the most snow we've seen in the wild.
If you have plans for Sunday, be careful on the roads. Aaron Coogan is live in Providence with what the city is doing now to get ready. Aaron?
Yeah, guys, well, an especially important weekend to have those roads cleared. A Super Bowl Sunday following that Saturday dumping, and Providence city officials say they're ready for the challenge.
In anticipation of Saturday's storm, we have 57 trucks available and ready to go with 62 staff people.
All geared up and ready to hit the roads come Saturday. Providence city leaders say they've been preparing for a dumping like this for months.
It's not just putting men in plows and saying go plow wherever you want. It's a very, very coordinated operation that involves a lot of people.
Providence Mayor Brett Smiley says while the capital city will remain diligent in their snow preps, they're also counting on residents to take the necessary steps to ensure an efficient clearing process.
Again, if you can make arrangements today to be off the roads for majority of the day on Sunday, it's more likely that we'll be able to finish the work and get everyone back and operating in time for Sunday night's game and Monday morning's work day and school day.
In addition, a citywide parking ban has now been issued to begin at 10 p.m. Saturday night. That ban will prohibit all parking on Providence city streets, instead guiding residents, including those with overnight parking passes, to one of the designated city park parking sites. It's a small price to pay, downtown resident Anna Marks tells me.
I slipped actually this morning, and I was not looking forward to having that happen again. But I think the city does a pretty good job at keeping everything clean, for the most part, especially like downtown.
Meanwhile, the city of Providence does not have any plans of opening additional warming centers for those experiencing homelessness.
The temperatures this weekend are not such that they are at the threshold where we've made additional warming capacity available in the past.
The storm expected to come just days before the city's new emergency pallet shelter facility is set to open this upcoming Tuesday. Meanwhile, city officials also remind residents they have 24 hours from last snowfall to clear their sidewalks. Live in Providence, Aaron Coogan, NBC 10 News.
All right, stay ahead of the snowstorm with the Storm Team 10 weather app. Get your latest forecast when you want it and check live radar anytime. It's free and available now.